Welcome to my 30-day kettlebell challenge. Over the next month, I'll be using kettlebell weights exclusively to build muscle and test how effective they are for rapid strength and muscle growth. Let's dive into why kettlebells are the ultimate tool for a kettlebell workout that delivers results. Kettlebells combine versatility and efficiency, making them perfect for those who want a full-body workout without spending hours at the gym. They're compact, easy to store, and highly effective for building strength, muscle mass, and endurance. Whether you're new to fitness or a seasoned athlete, kettlebells can take your routine to the next level. Many people get stuck with repetitive workouts that yield minimal results. With kettlebells, you can keep your body guessing by incorporating dynamic and challenging movements. One major pitfall in muscle-building routines is sticking to ineffective exercises that don't challenge your muscles enough. Progressive overload and variety are key. That's where kettlebell weights shine. They introduce new ways to engage your muscles, forcing them to adapt and grow. Let's talk about the best kettlebell exercises for building muscle. The kettlebell swing. 1. This powerhouse move targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. 2. How to perform. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Grip the kettlebell with both hands and hinge your hips to swing it back between your legs. 2. Drive your hips forward explosively to swing the kettlebell up to chest height. The goblet squat. 1. Perfect for targeting quads, glutes, and core. 2. How to perform. Hold the kettlebell close to your chest. 2. Squat down with a straight back, pause at the bottom, and push back up. The clean and press. 1. A compound exercise that engages your shoulders, arms, and legs. 2. How to perform. Clean the kettlebell to your chest, then press it overhead. The snatch. 1. Builds explosive power and endurance. 2. How to perform. Swing the kettlebell upward in one motion until it's overhead, locking out your arm at the top. Bent over rows. 1. Targets your back and biceps. 2. How to perform. Hinge at the hips, hold a kettlebell in one hand, and pull it towards your waist. For maximum gains in minimal time, try this circuit. 1. 3 rounds of 10 kettlebell swings. 2. 3 rounds of 10 goblet squats. 3. 3 rounds of 10 snatches, 5 per arm. This 30-minute routine is designed to hit multiple muscle groups while keeping your heart rate elevated for a calorie-torching effect. No matter how effective a workout is, consistency is the secret to success. Stick to your routine, progressively increase your weights, and watch your kettlebell workout results skyrocket. Looking to get started with your own kettlebell journey? I've got you covered! I've included a link to some highly rated kettlebell weights in the description below. These are perfect for building strength, improving endurance, and achieving your fitness goals. Check them out and find the right weight to power your workouts. Have you tried a kettlebell workout or used kettlebell weights to build muscle? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more fitness tips and workout inspiration.